Friends. Mid last year, Uganda Land Board embarked on a massive registration and massive surveying campaign where we registered over 120 tenants on Kabaka'S land. So, following on the same, Uganda Land Board is embarking on a similar exercise where we're going to register all tenants on Kabaka'S land and carry out massive surveying for those in Kampala and Wakiso districts, starting this 1st June 2016. This campaign is a follow-up of various requests from the masses, especially those who missed out on the earlier campaign. Unlike before, this exercise is going to run for only 1 month, and we're sure come 30th June we'll close up the exercise. The exercise is meant to ensure that all tenants on Kabaka'S land regularize, register, and for those in Kampala and Wakiso, survey their land. The prices have remained the same: 100,000 shillings for those in our rural areas and 600,000 shillings for our tenants in Chaddondo and Busiro counties. We shall expect similar requirements. We expect our tenants to come with all evidence showing ownership of Ibanja. We expect them to come with proof of payment of 100,000 shillings for those in the rural areas and 600,000 shillings for those in Kampala and Wakiso districts, or Chaddondo and Busiro counties respectively. Our tenants shall carry with them 3 passport-size photographs, a sketch map or directional map leading to the Chibanja, and a still photo capturing the owner or owners of the Chibanja alongside the land or Chibanja they wish to register. We call upon our tenants to use this opportunity because, as they are aware, the prices for doing this exercise are quite high and we can't carry on subsidizing the exercise for long. So we encourage them to use this opportunity and endeavor to register their land. Thank you.